they're trying to tear down Jamaica to the level to fit their narrative. But the people that have more knowledge about how a country run realize that these people don't mean Jamaica no good. Because if you check the levels, for instance, I'm gonna make one point. The other day, the shooting that can take place in Clarendon. I do not hear one of these ministers come out from that happened and try to address that away from the Prime Minister. I do not see little Marvin that going around spreading false narratives.
Who is little Marvin? Who is little Marvin?
They call him Marvin Fire, something like that.
Oh, who's that?
That the one that going around that they're gonna throw overthrow the government. He have his people to overthrow the government and stuff like that.
I see.
I don't hear one of them come out and try to defend the people, that family that get killed, that get unalive. But when police unalive the person who committed the crime in Jamaica, they come out and they bash the police, they call them murder and stuff like that. Where are these people now?